Assalamu alaikum. Lecture 1, Part 2 about the blades of grass, Stephen Crane. Now, it's about second stanza, and that is: Presently God said, and what did you do? The little blade answered, Oh my Lord, memory is bitter to me. Memory is bitter to me, for if I did good deeds, I know not of them. Then God, in all his splendor, grandeur, brilliance, arose from his throne. O best little blade of grass, he said. O best little blade of grass, he said. Translation about this stanza. In the first stanza, every one of the blade began eagerly to relate, impassionately narrate the merits of their lives. But the one stayed a small way behind the shame. Now, presently God said. अभी खुदा ने पूछा, and what did you do? और आपने क्या किया? यानी when the other blades of grass eagerly relate and impassionately narrate the merits of their lives, then God said, from the next one, from the little one that stayed a small way behind a shame, and what did you do? The little blade answered. The little blade answered. छोटी जो पत्ती है उसने जवाब दिया, ओ माय लॉर्ड, ओ मेरे आका, मेमोरी इज बेटर टू मी, यादें मेरे लिए तल्ख हैं. यानी जो जिंदगी है उसकी यादें मेरे लिए तल्ख हैं. For if I did good deeds, इसलिए कि अगर मैंने कोई अच्छे काम किए, I know not of them, मुझे उनका मालूम नहीं. यानी I'm confused about it, that what I did, if I did something, so I know not of them, कि that were, I mean the merits of my life or demerits. यानी वो क्या है जिंदगी में मैंने क्या, यानी वो जो आपकी इनायत करदा इनाम की मेरे ऊपर जिंदगी, इसमें अगर मैंने कुछ किया भी है तो मुझे इसका नहीं पता, यानी इन अच्छाइयों का मुझे नहीं पता, मैं नहीं जानता ए गफूर रहीम ज़ात. Then God in all his splendor, D-O-U, or it's D-O-U-R, magnificent and splendid appearance, यानी जो एक शानदार ज़ाहिरी हालत होती है शान और शौकत और दबदबे वाले, grandeur, splendor and impressiveness, यानी मुतासर कुन जो, brilliance, exceptional talent. Then God in all his splendor, grandeur, brilliance, तब खुदा अपने तमाम शान और शौकत, अज़मत और दबदबे के साथ arose from his throne, अपने तख्त से उठा. Oh best little blade of grass, he said, और उसने फरमाया, ओ सबसे अच्छी घास की छोटी पत्ती. यानी वो इस छोटी पत्ती को मुखातिब करता है और खिताब में क्या फरमाते हैं अल्लाह पाक, कि तुम सबसे अच्छी छोटी पत्ती हो कि जो एहसानात नहीं जताते, सुना. इन the actual philosophy of life. It is our obligation and moral obligation to be kind with the humanity. यानी इसमें कोई एहसान की बात नहीं है, खुदा के मखलूक पे हमने मेहरबान होना है, क्योंकि अल्लाह की ज़ात हमारे पास ऊपर क्या है, मेहरबान है। तो वो यानी अल्लाह जो है वो उस छोटी घास की पत्ती को मुखातिब करके फरमाते हैं कि आप सबसे बेहतरीन हो, कि आप ये एहसान नहीं जताती। यानी बाकियों ने तो they just impatiently narrate the merits of their life for the sake of what? For the sake of reward। यानी वो रिवॉर्ड के खातिर जो है वो बिल्कुल बेसब्री के साथ क्या कर रहे हैं जी, नरेट कर रहे हैं, यानी बेसब्री के साथ ज़िंदगी की जो मेरिट्स हैं। और ये जो छोटी पत्ती है इस स्टेंजा में क्लियर कट खुदा से मुखातिब होके वो फरमाती है कि मुझे नहीं पता कि अगर ज़िंदगी में कुछ मैंने अच्छा किया भी हो। So the paraphrase is, then God asked this means little blade of grass, how did you spend your life in the world? The small cute blade of grass said, my Lord, I beg your pardon, but my past memories are not good, because I remembered very little good that I did in the world. So I dare to say that I might have done little to be worthy of recall. God became very happy on listening to his humble answer. He got up from his throne with full grandeur and said, the little blade of grass is the best of all. The little blade of grass is the best of all. So explanation is, in these lines the poets say that God asked the shy blade of grass how he spent his life in the world. The small cute blade of grass answered humbly to its Lord that I beg his pardon, but his past memories are not good, because it remembered very little good that it did in the world. So it dared say that it might have done little to be worthy of recalling. God became very happy and hearing this humble answer. So then he got from his throne with full grandeur and said, the little blade of grass was the best of all. So it was all about this poem. So poet use personification. Personification is as I told you, a figure of speech. If you are giving human attribute to inanimate thing, yani there is object human attribute. If you just think about the little blade of grass, he is not capable to speak. वो बोलने के काबिल तो नहीं होती, पत्तियां घास की तो नहीं बोल सकती। इट इज़ जस्ट अ पर्सोनिफिकेशन, यानी ये फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच जो होते हैं, मेटाफर, सिमिली, लाइक पर्सोनिफिकेशंस एंड सो ऑन, तो ये टूल्स होते हैं बेसिकली पोइट के पास कि जो अपने पोएम में वो इनको यूज़ करते हैं. सो इन दिस पोएम, इफ़ you just summarize it, if you just interpret it, the first of stanza of this poem, once God asked from the blades of grass that what you have done in your life, so every one of the little blade answered and impassionedly narrates the merits of their lives. And there was one of the little blade, and they too stayed a small way behind, ashamed. And then in a second stanza, God again said, and what did you do? So then the little blade answered, oh my Lord, memory is bitter to me, for if I did good deeds, I know not of them. And it is one of the, or it is one of the best example in front of, one of the best answer in front of Allah. So the actual philosophy is that if you did, good with the creature of Allah, so don't think at the time about the reward. And there is no doubt about it that Allah will give you reward inshallah. लेकिन आपको लालची इसके लिए नहीं होना है. जस्ट इट इज़ ऑब्लिगेशन एंड मोरल ऑब्लिगेशन, ये इखलाकी फ़र्ज है, ठीक है. एंड इट इज़ द एंड ऑफ दिस पोएम. बेस्ट ऑफ लक.